Welcome viewers again to my channel. So in my previous video I have started exercise 20a of mensuration chapter, and I have given you homework from question number 16 to 20. Okay, hope all of you are able to do that. Now if you are not able to do question number 16 to 20, then ask me. I will help you to solve this question. Question number 16 to 20, mensuration, page number 230, R.S. Agarwal. Next come to area between two rectangles. Next our topic, area between two rectangles. Area between two rectangles. Area between two rectangles. So area between two rectangles means, how is the picture? The picture is look like that. This is the first rectangle. This is the second rectangle. So what is the area? This is the area. This is the required area. Understand that? This is the required area. Now how can we find that? Suppose the length of the bigger rectangle is x, and width is y, and the length of the smaller rectangle is a, and width is b. So as we know, the formula of area, that is area of bigger rectangle is equal to xy square unit, obviously. Next, area of smaller rectangle is equal to AB square unit. So the area of shaded portion is equal to xy minus AB square unit. Now here this variable we can take for just an example. Understand that? In the math, this should be given in number. That is, length is given in number, width is given in number. Understand that? So that is the main thing of this formula. Understand? To find out the area of a shaded region. So that is, if we take the area of the bigger, that is ABCD is a bigger rectangle, and EFGH is a smaller rectangle, then area of the shaded portion is equal to area of ABCD. This is area of ABCD. This is area of EFGH, and this. So next come to now here various types of examples are given. So again I suggest you to go through the examples. Next move to the exercise 20b. Exercise 20b. A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter all around on the inside. Find the area of the path. Cost of constructing at rupees 125 per meter square. A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 65 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter around on inside. Okay, so question number 1. So this is my rectangle. Now it is 75 meter long and 60 meter wide. 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter. 2 meter width path. This is 2 meter. 2 meter. This path is 2 meter. Okay. So we have to find the cost of the path. So it is given that the path is 2 meter. So that means this is my 60. So the smaller length should be, we should subtract 2 meter from here and 2 meter from here. That is, this is my smaller length. That is, smaller length should be 75 minus 4. That is 71. Next again, the smaller breadth should be 60 minus 4, because here also decreases 2 and here also decreases 2. Understand that? 2 meter decreases. So the smaller breadth should be 56. So the area of the smaller rectangle, that is, if we name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, if we name it, so area of ABCD is equal to 75 into 60 meter square. (450 meter square). Next, area of EFGH is equal to 71 into 56 meter square. So that, if we multiply that, this is 4500 meter square. Now if we add this 3976, this is 3976 meter square. So the area of shaded portion equal to 4500 minus 3976 meter square. Now 4500 3976 544, that is 544 meter square. This is 544 meter square. So now here the cost of constructing is 125 per meter square. Now here 125 per meter square cost of constructing this path. So the total cost is equal to 544 into 125. Okay, so that should be my required result. So that means this is rupees 60,000, 68,000. Okay, so that is the first question, exercise 20B, that I have started today. One minute. if we subtract here from here, we have a mistake here. If we subtract from here, we have got 524. So this is my 524. Understand that? We have written here 544. That is not correct. So this is a 524. So now if we multiply that, we are getting my required result. Okay. So the area of the path, what will be my answer? The area of the path is equal to 524 meter square, and the total cost is this. We have to multiply this 65,000 something come if you multiply that. This is my total cost. Okay. Next, move to another question. Question number 2. A rectangular plot of land measure 95 meter by 72 meter. Inside the plot, the path of uniform width of 3.5 meter is to be constructed all around. The rest of the plot is to be laid with grass. Find the total expense involved constructing the path, rupees 80 per meter square, and laying the grass at rupees 40 per meter square. So this is question number 2. Hope it is visible to you. Question number 2. The rectangular plot of land measure 95 meter and 72 meter. 95 meter and 72 meter. Okay. Inside the plot, the path of uniform width 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter width. 3.5 meter means here 3.5 meter, here also 3.5 meter. Okay. So here 3.5 meter, here also 3.5 meter. Now, so my small length is 3.5. This is 3.5. So my small length is 3.5. 95 minus 7. 95 minus 7 means 88. So this is 88. Okay, and this length is 72 minus 7 means 65. This is 65. So this is 88 and this is 65. Understand that? So now we are asked that the rest of the plot is laid with grass. So this is laid with grass. Okay. And this is my path, the second portion of obviously the path. So the area of the smaller rectangle, that should be, area of the smaller rectangle should be what? 88 into 65. This is my area of the smaller rectangle. Now the cost from this rectangle we have to graph it. That is, find the total expense involving rupees per meter square for path and laying the grass rupees 40 per meter square. This is my grass portion. Understood that? Since this is my grass portion, so rupees 40 per meter square expense. So the total cost of laying grass, that's equal to 88 is into 65 into 40. this rupees. Understood? Next, you have to calculate that. Okay, this is your calculation. You have to calculate that whatever this comes. I am not from time maintaining. I am not calculating that. Now, next come to the area of the path. Again, the area of the path is equal to area of the bigger rectangle minus area of the smaller rectangle. That is area of the path that's equals to 95 into 72 minus 88 into 65. Meter square. This is my area of the path. You have to calculate that whatever will come. Now to reducing the time, I am not calculating that. That's your work. Okay. If you find any mistake, right here, or here, if you find any mistake, then you can ask me that, sir, in this step, is it correct or is it right? Okay, you can ask me. But calculation you have to do your own. Otherwise, we can't complete it. Next, so this is the path. Next, now the cost is per path. The cost is rupees 80 per meter square. Rupees 80 per meter square. So the total cost for path is equal to 95 into 72 minus 88 into 65 into 80. This rupees. This is rupees. Now my total expense. Now my total expense is equal to this expense, total cost of laying grass, and the total cost of for path, this expense. If we add this will come in rupees something, and this will also come rupees something. Now this and this, if we take from this and this, if we add this, we are get the total expense. Next, question number 3. A sari is 5 meter long and 1.3 meter broad. A border of width 25 centimeter printed along its side. Find the cost of printing the border at rupees 1 per centimeter square. So here also process should be same. Now one thing we have to remember that we have to, I told you that in mensuration we have to change the dimension, change the unit. Okay, we have to maintain the unit. That is question number 3. I am giving hint for this. Here 5 meter long. 5 meter means 500 centimeter, and 1.3 meter wide means 130 centimeter wide. Now a border of width 25 centimeter. So this is my rectangle, and this is 500, and this is 130. Now a 25 centimeter broad border is given. So this is my 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter. Okay, this is my 25 centimeter. 25. Understood that? Now again, so my bigger breadth is equal to 130. This is 130, not 30. This is 130. So my bigger breadth is equal to 130 plus 25 means 130 plus 50 means 180. That is my bigger breadth, and my bigger length is equal to, this is my bigger length is equal to 500 plus 50, that is 550. Okay, understand that? So now we can easily calculate the area of the border. Area of the border, we can easily calculate the area of the border, this border. Okay, now if we calculate the area of the border, now here the cost is given per 1 per meter centimeter square, so we can easily find out the answer. Understood that? Next, question number 4. A rectangular grassy lawn measures 38 centimeter by 25 meter has been surrounded externally by 2.5 meter width path. Externally means outside, internally means inside. Okay, externally means outside, internally means inside. You have to remember that. Calculate the cost of graveling the path at a rate of 120 per meter square. So this is same as question number 1. Next, come to question number 5. A room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter width is surrounded by a 1.5 meter width veranda. Okay, calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at rupees 80 per meter square. Question number 5. Question number 5. 9.5 meter long and 6 meter width. Okay, so the length is 9.5 meter and 6 meter is the width. Okay, next it is surrounded by surrounded by 1.25 meter width veranda. So this is my 1.25 this is a veranda that is surrounded around this. This is a veranda. Okay, so this is 1.25 and this is also 1.25. So my actually this will imply 9.5 and my 6 centimeter is equal to 6. Okay. So this is 1.25, this is 1.25. Okay. So my outer breadth is equal to 6 plus 1.25 into 1.25 means 6 plus 2.5 means 8.5. That is my outer breadth, and my outer length is equal to 9.5 plus 2.5 means what? 9, 12, 12. Correct. So again we have my inner length and inner breadth we have got. This is 1.25. This is 1.25. So my inner length and inner breadth we have got. So we can easily find the area of this veranda. This is the veranda. Okay. Now the cost of carpeting the veranda, cementing the veranda, the floor of the veranda is rupees 80 per meter square. Now this is rupees 80 per meter square. So the total cost we have to find. Similar process we have to follow. Understood that? Next, question number 6 and 7. Okay, question number 6 and 7. I told you that I suggest you that you should do it in your homework. Question number 6 and 7. What is given? Each side of a square floor bed is 2 meters 80 centimeter long. It is extended by digging a strip of 30 centimeter width around it. Find the area of enlarged floor bed and also increase the area of the floor bed. So for that, each side of a square floor is the square floor is given here 280. Okay, 280 centimeter. Question number 6. Here it is rectangle given and here it is square shape given. Square shape. So this is 280. This is also 280. So this is 280 centimeter, 280 centimeter. Understood that? So it is extended by digging a strip 30 centimeter width around it. So a strip is digging 30 centimeter around it. So this is 30 centimeter. This is 30. This is 30. 30, 30. So my new side is, that is bigger side is 280 plus 30 into 2 means 60. Okay. So my bigger side should be 340. That is also 340. So now we have to ask that find the area of the enlarged flower bed and also the increase of area of the flower bed. So enlarged flower bed means enlarged flower bed means the dimension of 340 and 340. That is my, so this is my enlarged flower bed. This outer side. This is my enlarged flower bed. Okay. And we have to find the area of enlarged flower bed and also increase the area of flower bed. And increase the area, the area of increase is equal to 340 into 340 minus 280 into 280. Means 340 square minus 280 square. That will be my required answer. Understood that? Next again, this is my second answer of second question, and 340 into 340. This is my answer of first question. Next come to question number 7. The length and breadth of a path are in the ratio is 2:1 and its perimeter is given. The path is 2 meter wide, runs inside along the boundary. Find the cost of paving the path at ₹80 per meter square. Now here the length and breadth of the path are given 2:1. So and the perimeter is also given. So question number 7. Question number 7. Length is to breadth is equal to 2:1. That is 2x is to x. Understood that? Now the perimeter is 240. So we can write that 2 into 2x plus x is equal to 240. From here we can find the value of x. We can easily find the value of x. That is x equal to 40 by helping of solving of linear equation. X equal to 40. Now, so my dimension is that is length is equal to 2 into 40 means 80, breadth is equal to only 40, or are in actually all are in meter. This is 80 meter and 40 meter. Understood? Now this is breadth. Now we have to ask that a path 2 meter wide run inside it. So if this is my 80 centimeter and this is my 40 centimeter, this is 80 and this is my 40 centimeter, 2 meter wide path is run inside it. That is here. This is 2, 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 this is 2. So my inside length is 76 and this is 36. Okay. So you can easily find out the path, area of the path. We have to find out. You can easily find out that. Now the cost of paving the path is 80 per meter square. 80 per meter square. So we have to multiply this rate rupees 80 per meter square here, obviously. So we have to multiply this rate with the area of this path, and we have get my required result. Okay. So that's it for today's class. Hope you are understand, and this is your classwork and homework both together with exercise 20A, the rest of the math. So that's it, and keep watching my channel. Thank you.